How to draw an ice cream sandwich. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step in making our ice cream sandwich today, we're going to begin by making one rectangular like shape, but our shape will be slightly curved. Nice job! Now I hope you like chocolate chips, because we're going to begin to add some chocolate chips to that shape that we just made. Nice job! Now right below that cookie that we just made, we're going to begin to add in an ice cream filling right below. Directly under the ice cream that we just made, let's go ahead and make an outline for the second cookie. We're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and add in some chocolate chips to that bottom cookie that we just made. This is how to draw an ice cream sandwich. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and cut our drawing together.